Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
As the design world continues to evolve, color trends play a pivotal role in shaping the aesthetics of interior spaces. In the anticipated landscape of 2024, cobalt emerges as the trendy color for luxury living rooms, making a bold statement that blends opulence with a contemporary edge. Cobalt, with its deep and vibrant blue hue, injects a sense of richness and sophistication into luxury living rooms. This color trend is a departure from more muted tones, offering a dynamic and commanding presence that immediately draws the eye. Cobalt, in its bold expression, evokes a sense of luxury and drama, transforming living spaces into curated environments that captivate the senses. In luxury living rooms, the use of cobalt extends beyond mere wall color. This vibrant shade can be elegantly incorporated through sumptuous upholstery, plush textiles, or carefully selected accent pieces. Cobalt velvet sofas or intricately designed cobalt throw pillows become focal points, creating a sense of regality and visual allure. The interplay of cobalt with other elements of the living room is essential. Neutral tones such as crisp whites, muted grays, or soft creams act as a canvas, allowing cobalt to take center stage. Metallic accents, perhaps in gold or brass, can complement cobalt beautifully, infusing an additional layer of glamour into the luxurious setting. Cobalt's appeal lies not only in its visual impact but also in its versatility. It can be embraced in various styles of luxury living rooms, from classic and traditional to modern and eclectic. In more classic settings, cobalt contributes a sense of timeless elegance, while in contemporary spaces, it adds a touch of bold modernity. Lighting becomes a crucial element when working with cobalt in luxury living rooms. Well-designed lighting fixtures, strategically placed, can enhance the depth and richness of the color, creating a luminous ambience that accentuates the luxurious atmosphere. Large windows allowing natural light to stream in can further amplify the brilliance of cobalt. Artwork and decorative elements can be curated to complement the cobalt theme. Whether it's an abstract painting with cobalt accents or carefully chosen ceramics and sculptures, these additions contribute to a cohesive and thoughtfully designed living space. In the luxury living rooms of 2024, cobalt stands as more than just a color, it is a statement. It represents a departure from the subdued and a move toward the bold. The infusion of cobalt into living spaces speaks to a desire for opulence, self-expression, and a keen understanding of the dynamic interplay between color and luxury. As the year unfolds, cobalt promises to be the key hue transforming upscale living rooms into spaces that are as on-trend as they are indulgent.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!